Hey everyone, Troy Marsh here with Marsh Home Group. Let's talk about what's happening right now in the Columbus real estate market because things are moving quickly. First, let's talk about the topic of the year, the decade, mortgage rates. Since the start of August, rates have actually dropped from an average nationwide of about 6.8% to about 6.2%. That's a 0.6% decrease in interest rate, which makes a big difference for buyers. On a $600,000 home, it saves you just about $237 a month by just adjusting a little over a half a percent. That equals $85,000 across a 30-year loan. That's real money back in your pocket. But here's the twist. Today, rates actually jumped after the Federal Reserve cut their benchmark rate by a quarter point. That might sound backwards, but it's a reminder that the market reacts quickly, and these swings can create both opportunities and urgency. Now let's look at the housing numbers for last month. So inventory, which is the homes for sale, was up nearly 6% from the month prior of July and up a huge 31% compared to last year. That means more choices for buyers and more competition if you're a seller. Now, new listings, they were actually down over 10% from July, but basically flat compared to last year. So while more homes are on the market overall, fewer new ones came online in August. Pending sales, they were up 9% from last month and up just over 20% from last year. Buyers are clearly jumping in with the dropping rates. Now, closed sales, they're down 4% from July, which isn't super abnormal as we go into fall. They're down a little bit compared to last year, but that could be reflecting rate fluctuations we've been seeing. Remember, what closes this month is a reflection of what happened last month. Now, prices, average sales price was $390,000. That's up about 5% year over year. The average active price, that was $467,000, down a little bit from July, but still up compared to last year. On the timing side, days on market, homes are taking 28 days to sell on average. Now remember, this is an average. That's a week longer than last year though, so definitely the higher inventory is starting to impact days on market. Sold to list price, sellers are still getting about 97% of their original asking price, down a little bit from July as well as a little bit from last year, but still a fairly strong number historically. So why does this matter to you? Sellers, inventory is higher, which means more competition, but homes are still selling at a pretty strong price on average, just about 3% below where your asking price is. So if you price it correctly and present your home well, you will stand out. Now buyers, this market is for you. The rate drop isn't just a headline. It means hundreds of dollars a month potentially in savings. Or if you look at it over the life of the loan, tens of thousands of dollars. Pair that with more inventory, and this fall could be one of the best buying windows we've seen in years, with better affordability and more homes to choose from. Now, what if you're an investor? Most of you guys know I'm an investor. More inventory plus slightly longer days on market can open the doors for some deals. Prices are steady and even still trending upward year over year, so long-term growth still looks strong in Columbus, with rental demand staying high in Columbus as well. This is really a window worth exploring if you're an investor who's been waiting for the right time to jump in. Bottom line, rates and inventory are creating movement in the market. So if you're thinking about making a move, whether buying, selling, or investing, timing and strategy matter even more than ever. So make sure that you reach out to either myself or one of our team members here at Marsh Home Group, and we will get you taken care of with a custom plan to help you navigate today's market. Thanks so much for watching and have an amazing day.